Hey, it's Allison from Computers.mom. In this quick video, we'll show you how to add a signature, or several if you want, to your email on a Mac. It's quick and easy to do, and it can both save you a lot of typing and make your email look more professional. As usual with our videos, don't worry about taking notes as you watch, because you'll find a one-page recap of the steps at the end of the video. Before we dive in, let's make sure you're in the right place. Macs come with an email app called Mail, which many Mac users rely on, and that's what we're going to focus on here. But it's not the only way to access email on a Mac. You might use Gmail on the web using a web browser like Safari. In that case, check out the video linked above for how to create Gmail signatures, because the steps are completely different. Or perhaps you use the Microsoft Outlook app, which looks like this instead of Mail. We have a video for that as well. But if you normally open this blue and white icon on your Mac to read and write your email, stick around. To get started creating an email signature, go ahead and open the Apple Mail app. Now look at the menu bar on the top left of your screen. You should see Mail next to the Apple. Click on Mail and then select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, you will see a bunch of options across the top. The one we want, of course, is Signatures. Signatures window has 3 sections. On the left, you'll see all signatures, currently 0, and then an entry for each email address you pick up in the app. If you have more than one email address, you'll start by selecting which email account the signature goes with. I only have one right now, a Gmail address, so it's automatically selected. Next, click the plus sign down here to add a signature. The second part of the window shows the name of the signature, which is just descriptive, and the third section contains the contents of the signature. As you can see, the first one you create is automatically named signature number 1, and it contains your name and email address. These are just suggestions. You can edit either or both if you want to. Notice that Always Match My Default Message Font is checked. You can change that if you want your signature font to be something different. Let's leave the name of the signature alone and just edit the contents. Type away in this box to make your changes. If you want to zip it up a little bit, you can easily change the formatting, either from the right-click menu like this, or from the Format menu where you will find lots of options. One of my favorite tricks here is to add a link to the signature. For example, if I want to make it easy for people to visit my YouTube channel, I just select the appropriate text, open the Edit menu, choose Add Link, and then enter the address of the channel. You can copy and paste into this box too. You don't have to type in the URL. Click OK when you're done, and voila! Your email signature now includes a link. All done with creating this work-oriented signature. Suppose you want a different signature for emailing friends. You can have different signatures for different email addresses or for the same email address, up to you. Let's add a second one. Click the plus sign again, and let's edit signature number 2. I'll add some text and use the right-click menu to change the text color just to make it pop a little bit. Now we have 2 signatures available, and we can decide which one will be the default, that is, the one that appears automatically for each account. For the currently selected account, signature number 1 is the default. And finally, note that Place Signature above quoted text is automatically checked. We'll see what that does in a moment. Now let's try out our new signatures. We close the Signatures window and we're back at the main Mail window. Click the Compose button as usual to start a new email, and your beautiful new signature automatically appears at the bottom of the message area. Note that if you want to use a different signature in an email, you can access it right here. Just click the signature option and choose the one you want, or none if you prefer. You also have the option to go straight to the settings to edit your signatures. And finally, let's try replying to an email. I'll just use this one to test, and let's make the window a little bigger so we can see the reply button. Notice that the signature appears above the quoted text of the email we're replying to. When you reply, the original email is normally quoted below your message, and we don't want our signature at the very bottom of the whole thing. We want it above the quoted text. That was the point of the checkbox I pointed out earlier. And you're done. Here's a quick recap of the steps as promised. To add signatures to your email in Apple Mail, open the Apple Mail app, click on Mail, Settings, Signatures, create and format whatever signatures you want, and then choose which one will be the default. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Please click like if you found this video helpful. Feel free to leave comments and questions below, and don't forget to subscribe for more Computers.Mom videos.